Hello everyone, my name is Chan Sweeney. This is Gun Mayhem project update, a little bit of an update here. I can't remember what I showed off last time, but I'm just gonna briefly go over what I don't think I showed off, because the UI stuff is basically done at this point, using done kind of lightly there. Let's see here. I opened up two windows. They're gonna be a real pain right now, aren't they? Yeah, they are. Okay. Okay, this is so annoying. Alright, there we go. Host game, accept. Boom, we get a lobby menu. We can, there's a little lobby game we can do here. Change the map, select our character. The other player can join. This does actually work off of Steam. So you can play with other people in like a test. It's like testing only kind of right now. We did that. You can also kick the player if you wanted to. Boop. I could just join back. There's a little chat here, chat window. Sorry, it's kind of hard to tell with like since they're the same name, but once both players have selected a character, then the session can start. It will load into the level that you selected. Ow! Ow! It's a little buggy at the moment, but it's working to some degree. Because yeah, I'm doing a little bit of an overhaul with the guns right now. If you saw that the guns are a little bit different. But both players are in, you can see both players moving and stuff like that. Loading screen stuck there. There's still some problems with the server because like my mouse keeps going off screen. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know how to fix that because I've changed it so it input game only, because I thought maybe it was stuck on like input game and UI, but that's not. I don't know. I don't know why it does that because the client's fine. His mouse doesn't go off screen. UI might be broken too, but there are things to be fixed. But anyway, that's basically what has changed. It's basically that lobby menu, players being able to make lobbies and stuff like that, and all the features in the lobby menu. Some stuff with that might change because, as it is currently, you have to set your name and your avatar with the set defaults, and later I want to make it so it just kind of takes from your Steam. But currently, I have not done that yet. And I might make it so there's not actually a game in the background in the lobby. You just kind of have the menu. I don't know if I like the game in the background. It's just kind of meh. So another thing that improved is I finally figured out a way to make the guns more accurate. So it was actually a lot more simple than I realized. Basically what's happening here is we are getting a trace from the player's camera, the center of the player's camera, and directly to the center of the camera. Like we're getting the forward vector. We're getting a trace straight from the center, straight down, and whatever we're hitting is kind of determining the information for our bullet or our projectile. So whether it's a hit or not, it's gonna just, I don't know why this branch is here. I think I was gonna do something with that, but whether it's a hit or not, it's just gonna go to this return node, and we're gonna determine it's going to kind of decide where the transform is based off of the impact or the trace end. If we hit, it's going to pick the impact point. If it didn't hit anything, it's going to pick the trace end point. And so that's going to be the target. The start is going to be the shoot point of the gun, which is basically the barrel. I could instead use a bone segment because there is like a barrel bone segment that I could use, but it was causing some issues, so I'm just using this for now. I might change. And that's going to be the starting location, and it's going to find the lookout rotation for that, and it's going to use that for the rotation and the shoot point for location, and that's the transform for the projectile. That's where it'll start. But yeah, that's how this information works. So now these guns should be like 100% accurate, no matter where you were. Because before, if you were far away, it would kind of go off to the right a little bit. And if you're too close to something, it would go off to the left a little bit. But even if you're like this close, you're still going to hit his head, which is great. And as you can tell, the guns are getting a little bit of an overhaul as well. So I found some new gun assets. Oh, that's never something amazing. Yeah, we have some new gun assets too. So things are going to be getting some changes. But that's pretty much it. Plans. I really want to do a big overhaul with the guns right now. Add more guns. Change some things. Because I have a lot of new gun assets I can use. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you later.